We'll see you tomorrow.
I'm meteorologist Maria LaRosa, and we'll get you to the strangest weather on Earth in just about 55 seconds. Want to give you a quick update on some of the weather that we are tracking right now. Showers and thunderstorms still going on across parts of the Northeast, and some of those will be on the strong side. We've had some severe warnings already with damaging wind, a big threat, lightning, of course, and maybe some hail from Hartford to Portland, Burlington to Boston. Boston especially on the later end of the day, so watch out for the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms right now drifting, producing some heavy rain in parts of Mississippi and some flash flooding concerns. We'll see a little bit of that activity fill in during the afternoon with the thunderstorms bubbling up. It continues to be hot and dry across the west, though, with excessive heat warnings in hot pink. Las Vegas headed up towards a record high again today. Bakersfield in that warning. Sacramento and parts of the San Diego metro under that heat advisory here. Temperatures will be climbing in many of these areas where you will see the potential records over 100 degrees again. Have a great day.
Ferocious floods bring wild animals into the heart of a city.